Okay, so in today's question, we're gonna cover almost all the adjustments. So I request all of you to understand the question properly, to understand the adjustments properly, and then we can easily execute the solution. So, income tax part 2, income from business. Income from business. So, write down Mr. Hassan, Mr. Hassan, a sole trader. Mr. Hassan, a sole trader, gives gives following gives following trading and profit and loss account, trading and profit and loss account, trading and profit and loss account for the year ending, for the year ending 31st March 2020, 31st March 2020, comma, you are required to calculate, you are required to calculate taxable income from business, taxable income from business for assessment year 2020-21, for the assessment year 2020-21. Now draw up the trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account. Go through the screen. If you want, you can go through the screen. I have shared the question. Particulars amount, particulars amount. You have to be little quicker. So first on the debit side, opening stock 46,000, purchases 2,50,000, carriages 12,000, railway demarrage expenses 12,000, advertisements 12,000, salary to staff 18,000, repairs to house property 2,000. Next, fire insurance, underline below, house property 1,800, office and godown 2,000, goods 5,000, Next, life insurance premium. Underline on life of proprietor 3000, on employee's life 2000. Next, depreciation. Underline on house property 6000. Next, on business assets in brackets excluding patents 14,000. Next, wealth tax 6000, income tax 12,000, patents rights purchased 35,000, patents rights purchased 35,000. Next, interest on capital borrowed, interest on capital borrowed. Underline for business 7,000, for reconstruction of house property 5,000. Next, family planning expenses among employees, family planning expenses among employees 4,000. Bad debts 9,000. Provision for bad debts 3,000. Provision for GST 22,000. Net profit 2 lakhs 11,200. 2 lakh 11,200. Now shift to credit side. Sales 5 lakhs 5,000. Closing stock 86,000. Rent from house property 24,000. Refund of customs duty 10,000. Refund from income tax 15,000. Bad debts recovered 15,000. Capital gains on sale of short term capital investments 20,000. Short term capital investments 20,000. Next, profit on sale of a car used in the business. Profits on sale of a car used in the business 25,000. 25,000. Both side total 7 lakhs. Both side total 7 lakhs. Additional information. Additional information. Number 1. Opening stock is valued at cost minus 12%. Cost minus 12%. Underline the words cost minus. Can anyone tell me how will you treat this? Cost minus. Undervalued or overvalued? Yes. Cost minus. Yes, yes. Undervalued. Cost minus 12%. However, closing stock is valued at cost plus 8% basis. Cost plus 8% basis. Okay. So cost plus means overvalued. Next, number 2. Bad debts recovered include rupees 4,000 for preparation and filing of income tax returns and rupees 1,000 income tax penalty on an earlier assessment. On an earlier assessment and rupees 2,000 and rupees 2,000 legal charges on income tax appeal. Legal charges on income tax appeal. Next, number 4. Rent from house property includes rupees 6,000. Rent received from the employees of the concern. And last one, sorry, last one, 75% of the house property expenses. 75% of house property expenses are for personal, are for personal, are for personal use, personal use. Okay, so please be very careful while understanding the solution. This question covers almost all the adjustments. Let's get started with the solution. All of you write down, follow the format. Computation of taxable income from business for assessment year 2020-21. Okay, next, name of the assessee, Mr. Hassan. Previous year 2019-20. Status, they have not mentioned anything. You can write resident or assumed to be resident. Assessment year 2020-21. Particulars, amount, total. So first, net profit as per profit and loss account. So what's the amount of net profit? 2,11,200. Add inadmissible items. add inadmissible items. Yes. Number 1. Now we have to go by debit side, one by one. Okay. Number 1, opening stock. So regarding opening stock, one adjustment is given, and that is cost minus 12%. So which means it is undervalued. So undervalued means it will come in the second step, correct? In the less category. In the less category of inadmissible items. If you want, I can show you. See, undervaluation of opening stock. Undervaluation of opening stock. Next, purchases. It becomes business expenditure. Carriages, business. Railway demurrage, business. Advertisements. Hence, there are no adjustments. You should be very careful. Simultaneously, you have to check adjustments. Salary to staff. There are no adjustments. Repairs to house property. So write down number 1. Repairs to house property. Okay. Tell me how much portion you're gonna consider. Yes. Low. 1500. Yes, yes, correct. So regarding house property, one adjustment is given. Correct? What is that adjustment? The last adjustment. 75% of the house property expenses are for personal use. See, 75% of the house property expenses are personal use. So, remaining 25% will be of business. Will be of business. So, we have to take into consideration only the 75%. So, 2000 into 75 divided by 100 is 1500. Next, fire insurance. So first one is on house property. See again, house property. Again, how much portion you will consider? Yes, fire insurance on house property. So 1800 into 75 divided by 100. Could you please tell me the value? 1350. Okay. Next. Next, fire insurance on office and godown belongs to business. Fire insurance on goods belongs to business. Next, life insurance premium. First one is on life of proprietor. Okay, tell me. On life of proprietor, how will you treat this? Yes, because it is personal. Because it is belongs to proprietor. But the next one on employee's life, how will you treat that? Yes, because employees works for business. So write down number 3. Life insurance on proprietor. What's the value? 3000. Next, depreciation. Okay. So first one, it is on house property. Again, how much portion you will consider? Yes, because 75% is for personal use. Depreciation on house property. What's the value? 6000. 6000 into 75 divided by 100. So the value is 4500. Next, business assets. On business assets. Okay, now depreciation on business assets excluding patents, it is 14,000. So which means what? We have to charge a depreciation on only patents. Only patents. And a depreciation as per income tax rules. It is not given. It is not given. So this depreciation is considered as admissible. But we have to charge depreciation on only patent rights. Patent rights. Next, wealth tax. We all know wealth tax is a direct tax and which is not at all concerned to business. Wealth tax 6000. Next one, income tax. Okay, can anyone read out the adjustment regarding income tax? Okay, so now listen to me carefully. So income tax is given 12,000, but this 4,000 rupees is paid for preparation and filing of income tax, and 1,000 income tax penalty and on earlier assessment, and 2,000 legal charges on income tax appeal. So whatever expenses are connected to income tax are always considered as admissible or admissible, but income tax paid is inadmissible, and all these expenses are relating to on an earlier assessment, on an earlier assessment, on an earlier assessment. So 12,000 minus 4,000 and minus 2,000, but this 1,000 is income tax penalty, is income tax penalty. As I said earlier, income tax penalty on an earlier assessment, so it has been already included in the last year earlier assessment, but this 4,000 and this 2,000 we have to deduct it. So income tax paid is rupees 12,000, but out of 12,000, 4,000 is preparation and 2,000 legal charges. But this 1,000 we have to exclude it because it is a penalty and which is been given in on an earlier assessment already. So we have to ignore it. So write down number 6, income tax 12,000 minus 4,000 minus 2,000. In brackets you can mention penalty is belongs to earlier assessment. So it becomes 6,000. Next, patents rights purchased. Okay, how will you treat this? Tell me fast. Hmm. Admissible or inadmissible? Inadmissible. Why? What is the reason? Yes. Hmm. Yes. And it is a capital expenditure. We have discussed so many questions on this, so many solutions on this. Patents rights purchased. It is treated as capital expenditure, and all types of capital expenditures are inadmissible. 35,000. Next, interest on capital borrowed. Number one, for business, so it is admissible. Next, for reconstruction of house property. For reconstruction of house property. Okay, now tell me, how will you treat this? Hmm. Yes, yes. Tell me 75%. How much? 3,750. Next, family planning expenses among employees. We have discussed one question on this. Tell me whether it is belongs to business or not. How? See, family planning expenses among employees. Correct. See, employees belongs to business, but employees family does not belongs to business. We have discussed a solution on this. So family planning expenses among employees, it is personal, not business. Employees belongs to business, but not employees family. 4,000. Next, bad debts belongs to business. Provision for bad debts, it is notional expenditure. Provision for bad debts, 3,000. Next, provision for GST, 22,000. So we are done with all the items on the debit side. Now tell me the value. 90,100. Okay. Total 3,01,300. Next, less inadmissible items. Now we have to go by credit side. Okay. First one, sales belongs to business. Next, closing stock. So regarding this, we have an adjustment on opening stock and closing stock. Correct? Opening stock is undervalued and closing stock is overvalued. Of course, that's the nature of the business. If the opening stock is undervalued, automatically closing stock will be overvalued. That's very simple. So both will be deducted. Right. Number one, under valuation of opening stock. Tell me. Hmm. Fast. We are running out of time. So tell me the calculation. Into 12 divided by 88 because it is undervalued. So value will be 5,520. Next, overvaluation of closing stock. Tell me calculation. 86,000 into 8 divided by 108 because it is overvalued. It is cost minus and cost plus. Cost minus means undervaluation, cost plus means overvaluation. And undervaluation of opening stock, overvaluation of closing stock are inadmissible in the less category, in the deductions category. So, what's the value? 6,370. Okay, next, rent from house property. Rent from house property. It belongs to other head, not to business. Okay. Here you can ask me a question. Correct. Sir, we have to consider 75%, right? No. Because go through adjustment what they have given. 6,272. Okay. Now you can ask me a question here. Sir, we must consider 75% or not? Of course not. Because go through adjustment, they have given 75% of house property expenses. Correct? Rent from house property is an income. So take directly. No 75% and all. So rent from house property. 24,000. Next. Yes. So 6273. Okay, okay. Next, refund of customs duty. See, refund of customs duty. Customs duty belongs to business. Next, refund from income tax. Income tax expenses, income tax income, always inadmissible. So write down refund of income tax. It is 15,000. Next, bad debts recovered. Okay, you should tell me this. Tell me how will you treat? Hmm. Fast. Make it fast. Bad debts recovered is 15,000. Go through adjustments. Number 2. Bad debts recovered include rupees 5,000 disallowed earlier. Disallowed earlier. Okay. So how much you will record? See, bad debts recovered, not allowed earlier. So that is 5,000. That is 5,000. That is 5,000. Okay. 5,000. Or you can show in brackets 15,000 minus 10,000. Next, capital gains on sale of short-term capital investments. That is always inadmissible because it belongs to capital gains, not to business. Capital gains on short-term investments, 20,000. Okay, next, profit on sale of a car used in the business. Though it is used in the business, but profit on sale of a car, it is a capital income. It is a capital income. See, profit on sale of car, it is a capital income. So capital income and capital expenses are always inadmissible. So what's the value? No, profit on sale of car. So we are done with all the items on the credit side. Now tell me the total. 1 lakh 643. Okay, now deduct it. Yes. So we are done with all the items in the trading and profit and loss account. So now we have to go by adjustments. Now go by adjustments. First one, opening stock and closing stock, we are done. Bad debts recovered, we are done. Income tax, we are done. Rent from the house property includes rupees 6,000 received from the employees. Okay, now tell me whether it's a business income or non business income. How non business? Rent is recovered from whom? Yes, sir. So please underline, rent from house property include rupees 6,000 rent received from the employees of the concern. Correct. So it's a business income. So if it is business income, we have to deduct it. Rent from employees, 6,000. Or you can show it here also. Rent from house property, 24,000 minus 6,000. Or you can show like this. It is left to you. And next, 75% of house property expenses are personal use. We are done with that. Okay, now what is left? Could you please tell me what is left? Hmm. What? Patents what? Yes, correct. Depreciation on patents. Could you please tell me the rate of depreciation on patents according to income tax rules? Yes, 35,000 into 25%. Now tell me, 8,750. Now tell me the value. 1,99,657 minus 6,000 minus 8,750. 1,84,907. So what is this called? Taxable income from the business. Taxable income from the business. 1,84,907. Now I request all of you to go through the question once, to go through the solution once. Any doubts, any queries, feel free to ask. Please let me know.